Today we're setting up our own DIY heated bird bath with fountain for the birds to enjoy this winter. As you can see, the water is around 90 degrees, whereas the outside is upper 20s. Now they have a warm place to clean their feathers and get a drink of water in the winter. The bird bath, de-icer, and fountain come shipped to your door ready to treat your feathered friends as well. You just need your own bird bath to warm up. Inside the box, you have your instructions, a bird bath de-icer and water pump, as well as the fountain attachment. Stick the fountain down onto the pump, and we're ready to go. To get started on our heated bird bath, I filled up a bucket with river rocks and cleaned them up. I bought a planting pot with a nice wide lip for the birds to land, as well as a smaller pot that I could put upside down for more water to flow and have a spot to rest the de-icer and pump. Then I filled the sides of the pot with filler rock and set aside the prettiest rocks for the top layer. After I had the fill rock level with the inner pot, I rested in the de-icer and ran the cable out of the pot. Then I grabbed the pretty rocks that I set aside earlier and arranged them on top of the de-icer, leaving the fountain exposed. I worked the rocks up on one side to make a little beach area, as well as a deeper side that the birds can bathe. Then before you plug it in, fill up your bird bath with water. After the water's just under the fountain, you could plug it in, and like that, our DIY bird bath is done. The pump kicks on and the fountain starts spraying water. The trickling water brings a nice noise that'll be sure to attract some birds. Not to mention, the water is actually louder than the pump. The next morning, I woke up to birds chirping, so I went outside and could see the bird bath steaming in the cold morning. The water was warm to touch and wasn't too hot. It begins heating up at 68 degrees. Then it automatically turns off at 118 degrees. This is more than enough to warm the water and melt the ice and snow. The only downside is that the power cable is short, so I had to use an extension cord to place the bird bath where I wanted. But that's not a big deal, because I'm a huge fan of how this bird bath turned out. The fountain's water flowing across the rocks is so nice to look at, and I love the sound of the trickling water. So if you're looking to make your own bird bath or enhance one that you already have, why not add a fountain and de-icer? Your birds will thank you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go do some bird watching and try and capture some clips of these birds bathing. Creepy, I know. See ya.